Surfshark vs Protonvpn, which VPN to choose in 2024. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. Today, we're diving into the world of virtual private networks or VPNs to compare the two most prominent options, which is Surfshark and ProtonVPN. And to sign up for either Surfshark or ProtonVPN, you can check out the link provided in the description below, in which by using the link you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Surfshark, it is a virtual private network or VPN service designed to provide users with enhanced online privacy, security, and freedom, in which it offers a range of features aimed at protecting users' internet activities from surveillance, censorship, and other online threats. And one of the key features of Surfshark is its unlimited simultaneous connections policy, allowing users to protect multiple devices under a single subscription. On the other hand, ProtonVPN is a virtual private network or VPN service developed by Proton Technology AG, the same company behind the popular encrypted email service ProtonMail, in which ProtonVPN aims to provide users with enhanced online privacy and security by encrypting their internet traffic and routing it through secure servers located around the world. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, Surfshark and ProtonVPN, we can now proceed by knowing other details, starting to their features comparison. So let's start by knowing Surfshark features. Surfshark offers unlimited simultaneous connections. Surfshark allows you to connect multiple devices to the VPN simultaneously without any limitations. It also offers multi-hop double VPN. Surfshark offers the ability to route your connection through multiple servers for added security and anonymity. And it also offers a clean web. This feature blocks ads, trackers, and malware, while you browse, providing a cleaner and safer internet experience. It also offers No Borders mode, since Surfshark's No Borders mode helps users bypass internet censorship and access restricted content in countries with strict online regulations. And also whitelister or split tunneling. With whitelister feature, you can choose which apps or website bypass the VPN connection, allowing for more flexibility in your online activities. Now moving on to the ProtonVPN features, it offers Secure Core, in which ProtonVPN Secure Core features routes your internet traffic through multiple servers located in privacy-friendly countries before reaching in its destinations, providing an extra layer of security. It also offers Perfect Forward Secrecy. ProtonVPN employs Perfect Forward Secrecy to ensure that even if an encryption key is compromised, past communications remain secure. And also in terms of DNS leak prevention, ProtonVPN includes DNS leak prevention measures to ensure that DNS queries remain encrypted and protected from potential leaks. In terms of split tunneling, ProtonVPN offers split tunneling functionality, allowing you to choose which apps or website route through VPN and which ones access the internet directly. Now moving on to the pricing comparison of both platforms, starting to their pricing features. Surfshark offers starting at $2.49 per month for 24-month plan, while ProtonVPN starting at $4 per month for 2-year plan. And also Surfshark offers $6.49 per month for 12-month plan, while ProtonVPN offers $6.63 per month for 1-year plan. While Surfshark also offers $12.95 per month monthly plan, while ProtonVPN offers $10 per month monthly plan also. And both platforms offers money-back guarantee for 30-day refund policy. Now moving on to the pros and cons, starting the pros of Surfshark. The advantages of Surfshark is that it's affordable long-term pricing plans. It offers unlimited simultaneous connections, wide server network with 3,200 plus servers in 65 countries. It also supports various platforms including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Linux. And it offers a strict no-log policy for user privacy. And also it has a strong encryption protocols including OpenVPN, IKE, P2 or IPsec, and WarGuard, and has the features split tunneling and kill switch for added security. And it works well with streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, BBC, and iPlayer. And it allows torrenting on its servers, with a responsive 24/7 live chat and email support, and 30-day money-back guaranteed for risk-free testing. However, the cons of using Surfshark is that it offers higher monthly pricing compared to long-term plans, and it may not have an extensive server coverage in some regions compared to other providers. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using ProtonVPN. Starting to its pros or advantages, it offers a free plan with limited features for basic use, and it has a competitive pricing, especially for long-term plans. And it offers up to 10 simultaneous connections, with strong emphasis on privacy with no-log policy and AES 256 encryption, and support major platforms including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Linux. And it offers OpenVPN and IKE v2 or IPsec protocols, and it has features a kill switch for added security, and it works with streaming platforms like Netflix and Hulu, and it also allows torrenting on its servers, offers dedicated IP addresses for additional costs, with responsive customer support via email, and extensive knowledge base, with 30-day money-back guarantee for all plans. However, the cons of using ProtonVPN is that it offers limited server network compared to some competitors, with free plan has significant limitations in terms of speed, server locations, and features, and some advanced features like split tunneling are not available on all platforms. Now moving on to the performance comparison of both platforms. In terms of speed, Surfshark offers faster than ProtonVPN with an average download speed of 261 Mbps and an average upload speed of 230 Mbps, while ProtonVPN has a slower than Surfshark with an average download speed of 178 Mbps and an average upload speed of 150 Mbps. Now in terms of streaming category, Surfshark has unblocks Netflix, BBC, iPlayer, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, HBO Max, Disney Plus, and YouTube, while ProtonVPN unblocks Netflix, BBC, iPlayer, YouTube, HBO Max, and Disney Plus but not Amazon Prime Video or Hulu. And aside from that, in terms of torrenting category, Surfshark support P2P and torrenting on all servers with fast speeds and a limited bandwidth, while ProtonVPN supports P2P and torrenting on some servers with decent speeds and a limited bandwidth. But the question is, who should choose Surfshark? Well, Surfshark is an option for individuals who value having the ability to connect to devices simultaneously and utilize the multi-app or double VPN feature. If you have devices and wish to ensure their security under one subscription while maintaining performance, Surfshark provides a solution. Moreover, users looking for a safer browsing experience may find Surfshark Clean Web feature as it blocks ads, trackers, and malware. Additionally, Surfshark's easy-to-use interface and round-the-clock customer support make it a good choice for beginners or those who appreciate assistance. But what about ProtonVPN? Who should choose ProtonVPN? Well, ProtonVPN is suited for individuals who prioritize security features and privacy safeguards. With its secure core feature that direct traffic through servers in privacy jurisdictions, ProtonVPN offers heightened protection against threats. The implementation of perfect forward secrecy ensures the security of communications. Even encryption keys are compromised, and users seeking anonymity may appreciate ProtonVPN's Tor servers and the ability to route traffic through the Tor network. ProtonVPN's ability to work well with operating systems with various devices caters to an audience seeking privacy and security for their online endeavors. Now in conclusion, when deciding between Surfshark and ProtonVPN, your choice will depend on what matters to you in terms of features, performance, and security. Surfshark shines with its device connections, hub features, and user-friendly design catering well to those who prioritize convenience and adaptability. On the other side, ProtonVPN set itself apart with top-notch security elements like secure core, perfect forward secrecy, and dedicated Tor servers, which is ideal for individuals seeking privacy and anonymity online, and both VPN service offer servers that support for streaming and torrenting well as strong encryption protocols. So whether you value connectivity, user-friendliness, or stringent security measures and privacy safeguards, more Surfsharks and ProtonVPN present compelling choices to address your preferences in the realm of online privacy and security. So it's advisable to assess the features of each service to determine which one best suits your needs. So that is just a comparison review between Surfshark and ProtonVPN. Thank you.